Good morning, all you cool cats and kittens out there. You can tell that I'm working on this video with my new microphone. I feel like a famous podcaster slash YouTuber, so that's pretty cool. Um, Hopefully it sounds great. I expect it should. My other microphone needed to go back to my friend, so I had to get this one. So hopefully it works out well for us. Let me minimize myself so we can get into the lesson or the review. So this is part of your test that you're looking at right now. And tomorrow on Wednesday, you'll be taking an assessment to show us your skills on multi-digit multiplication, expressions. So today we want to practice some expression work and then also some more standard algorithm or area model practice depending on which style you prefer. So let me just get these comment tools using so I can write inside of here. And some of these, for the assessment, I picked 4 of these. So you'll see these on the test tomorrow. So there's 2 ways that we're going to ask you to do it on the test. We're going to ask you to go from, I'm not used to these tools. So we are going to go from words to expressions. And then we're also going to go from expressions back to words. So that's what we're going to practice today. And then I'm going to unleash you to try it on your own and also work on some more multi-digit multiplication. So 50 times the sum of 64 and 36. So in that sentence or in that word expression, it's telling us to do 50 times the sum of something. So we need to put that in parentheses because we don't know what the sum is yet. And that's it. We're done with the expression. Now, for the value of the expression, we have to actually solve it. Remember, we do whatever's in the parentheses first. So let me change my color. Whoops, I didn't. Okay, that changes the whole writing. I'm not used to these tools, guys, so I apologize. So we're first going to look at 64 plus 36 because we do what's in the parentheses. Well, the 6 ones plus the 4 ones is 110. So basically it's 70 plus 30. So that's 100. So it's 50 times 100. So that should give us 5,000. If you need to show your tracks of thinking off to the side, go ahead and do it. If you need to stack and add 64 plus 36, go ahead and do that so that you can see that you get 100. All right, let's try another one real quick. And if you're writing these on your board, that's great. Divide the difference between 1,200 and 700 by 5. Once again, if you read the sentence closely, it's asking us to divide the difference. Well, difference is the answer to a subtraction problem. So first we have to subtract 1,200 minus 700, put that in parentheses because we don't know what the answer is, and then divide that by 5. Well, 12 minus 7, I'm just turning this into unit form, so it's 12 hundreds minus 7 hundredths. Well, that should be 5 hundredths. So 500 divided by 5 should just give us with 100. All right, well, that's the, whoops, whoa, Mr. Briggs. Get back to your page, come on, there it is. All right, so now let's take a look at this one that's red and circled, just the number expression. And let's try to go back to words. Well, let's read it. Well, it's 10 times 250 plus 45. Well, the 250 and 45 is in parentheses. So we have to do that first. So it's 10 times what? The sum, because it's the answer of an addition problem. The sum. Wow, these annotation tools in Adobe are not as good as Active Inspire. 10 times the sum of, even when I'm using my good stylus, of, that's right, 250 and not plus, and 45. Wow, I really don't like this. I'm not going to use Adobe ever again to to work with you guys because it's really challenging. So let's look at this one down here. Well, once again, we see an addition problem inside the parentheses. So we know it's a sum. So we can start with that. The sum, wow, that's supposed to say sum. The sum of, oh yeah, 560, and I hope you're listening to my words, not trying to read my writing, 440. But that was just what the parentheses. Then we gotta say times 14. And then you could also solve for the value. But when I'm asking you on the test tomorrow to go from the number expression to the word expression, that's all I'm asking you to do. But when I'm asking you to go from word, I'm going to ask you to do the expression and then solve it too. All right, so that was your mini review lesson. And now you go ahead and get to your exit ticket. There's going to be 3 multi-digit standard algorithm problems with a little table like this for you to practice your expression work. All right, so you'll take a clear picture of that and submit it for me, and then you'll be done for the math today. And then just remember to practice these, or to show these skills that you've been working on tomorrow's test. Now, tomorrow's test is going to be posted. You can either print it or you can just show your work on regular paper and then take a picture and submit it. And you can take multiple pictures to submit as many pages as possible. It needs to be clear so I can read it. I think it'll be easier for you guys to work on pencil paper than it is to work on annotating with the tools inside of Schoology. Even Adobe tools are a little tough to use sometimes. So I will catch you at your exit ticket. I'll try to give you as much feedback from your review pages to give you some things to think about, to work on, so your skills can be sharp and ready to go. All right, guys, nice job today, and good luck tomorrow.